So starting with Sarah Connor, the Terminator 2 look, I used some pieces from other costumes, but you can probably get most of the stuff out of your own closet. Black tank top, black pants with pockets, black belt, black lace-up boots, an airsoft gun, and a pair of shades. I added a cigarette by rolling up an old junk mail envelope and used that as a cigarette for an additional prop. And then I had myself a Sarah Connor costume. Next up is Cousin Eddie from Christmas Vacation, which is always a fun one. You need to get yourself a prop cigar or roll up a piece of paper, a can to use as the beer can, a flap hat, and a bathrobe.
It was fall.
Next up, the Dude, a super easy last-minute costume. In this case, taking advantage of natural features. My brother has long hair and a full beard, which were perfect. Add in a pair of shades, some flip-flops because he didn't have adult male jelly shoes, few people do, and some dirty old clothes and an old bathrobe. Then you had instant Dude. Be sure to relax casually.
Well, you know, that's like your opinion, man. If you happen to have a nice comfy pillow and a meal there, instant Thor costume!
And then Velma is a nice easy costume to put together from your own closet. You just need a long sleeve shirt, a skirt, some stockings, and a pair of thick rimmed glasses. And basically you're just going for a maroon, orange, yellow color scheme to make her very recognizable.